Hello, this is Harold from Hidden Room Studio. In a short video I want to show you how you can make an 80s gated reverb in Cubase using reverb, a compressor and a gate, like this. Okay, let's start. In this example I'm starting with a simple drum beat, which is on two different tracks. On track 1 I have the hi-hat and the bass drum, the kick drum, and on track 2 I have the snare. I have the snare on an individual track, so I can control the reverb very good with this one track. So let me hear that first. This is our simple drum beat. And to start with the gated reverb, we first have to have some reverb on the snare at all. So I'm going to the mixer, I select the snare, and I add a effect to the snare channel. Let's call it reverb. Oops. Reverb. And I use the reference here. The reference here. Okay, I'm taking, what do I take? I take the plate. And let's listen to this. Okay. After the reverb, we need a compressor. So let's look at the track. This is the reverb track. This is the reference. And then we need a compressor, which is really compressing the reverb signal. Okay, turn down here the threshold and let's compress it to about 5 or 4 to 1, like this. So you see that the gain reduction is very hard hitting and that the compressor is really compressing the reverb signal. So the next thing we need after the compressor is a noise gate. Which is here. And what we use then is the sidechain. So the gate is not gating from the signal, from the reverb signal at all, but it's gating from the signal that's from the snare. So to make this, turn up the threshold to 0, so the signal is not going through the gate, so that the gate is always closed, like this. So the next thing we have to do is we have to trigger the gate with a snare, so that the gate is only opening when the snare is hitting. So I go to this gate here and activate here the sidechain, that is here, and then I have to go here to the sense of the snare track and send it to the sidechain, like this, and turn it on. Okay, and now let's listen, and now we have to adjust the threshold so that the gate is only opening when there is a snare hitting. Okay, here we hear the snare that's opening the gate. Now let's go to the compressor again. So this way we can adjust the volume of the gated reverb, and also we can adjust with a gate the length of the gated reverb, like this, like using the hold or the release button. So that's about it. Nothing more fancy here. This is just the easiest way you can do gated reverb and 80s gated reverb with a reverb, a compressor and a gate in Cubase. I hope you liked it. I hope you find it useful. Please like, subscribe or share the video and leave a comment in the comments below of what you might be interested in or what videos you want to see. Okay, see you next time. This is Harold from Hidden Room Studio. Goodbye.